be drawing a male character this time. Again, in formal wear. So let's get started. Again, with the female, if you watched the last video, you draw a circle right here. You just keep on going. Right now, it's just a rough draft, a rough sketch, whatever you want to call it. And with a male character, you come down with the chin right here. And it depends on what kind of chin the male has, like double chin, normal chin. This one, he's gonna have a double chin. And then you draw the neck. Now, males' necks are a bit wider. So we just draw it like this. Okay, so once we've done that, we draw the arms. Now, male shoulders are also a bit wider, so you want to draw the male shoulders about probably an inch away. You want to draw it an inch away from the neck, and then you can start drawing the arm. I made him have muscles. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. Now you draw the other one. Now you want also, if the man has abs or whatever you want to call it, you draw it a bit wider, and then you draw them. Now you draw the shorts. There we go. And then, like in the other video, we draw legs, except, of course, because it's a man, we make them a itty bitty bit wider. Continuing. Okay. Now you draw shoes or whatever you want him to have on. I'm gonna draw him barefoot though. There we go, and you just want to draw it like this, and add another toe, another toe, another toe, then another toe. Just like that. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so for the hair, you start with the part, and then you come over here and draw it however you want. That's how I'm drawing it though. There we go. And now for the eyes. For men, eyes are kind of different. Last time we did squinting kind of slightly, so I'm gonna do it again because that's the style you normally use for the men. You just draw it like this. Eye. Line, like that. Okay, same on the other side except flipped. Wow! Scary. There we go. And then we're gonna erase the line. Silence. You're just watching a video, and then all you hear is silence. That's so fun. Okay. So, the nose, just like the females, except a tiny bit larger. And then the smile. Now this time the smile won't have those big puckery lips because it's a man, so he's gonna have a nice smile. Hi kids, I'm Bob Ross. And today we will be drawing a man. Okay, so then we draw his good looking eyebrows. And there we go. We got the rough sketch done. Now it's time for the cleanup sketch. And this is very simple, very easy. Grab a friend if you want to do it with a friend, because that'd be fun. Hey, friends out there that are my friends. I've done it. My dreams come true. I'm on YouTube. Hi. Okay, more silence. That's so fun. Okay, now time to go over it with the cleanup sketch. Now with the cleanup sketch, you don't add all these like lines right here, like these circles right here, and you don't draw back this line, okay? You just leave it be. And you gotta like go over it 3 or 2 times like this. There we go. Now time for the head. There we go. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, just trace over all that stuff. There. Just like so. Skip line art. Just watch the other video to see the line art, what you're supposed to do for line art. So for coloring, we got these markers again. They're by Art Skills. They've got a fine edge and a chisel, and they've got blending tools. They're alcohol-based markers. Okay, forgot to draw back these. Do potatoes. Those are definitely not potatoes. Okay. So for the hair, I think we'll do brown. We're gonna use the fine edge, and I'm using copper. There we go. Now coloring. Ta-da! Half of his hair kind of looks like Goku. Watch Dragon Ball Z. Hair done. Got his eyebrows. Done with this color. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna make them powder blue. And I'm using the fine edge. Great to learn art, because someday when you grow up, you can make a fortune out of art. Okay, there we go. It looks like he has man mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna color his skin peach beige with the chisel tip. Color me. Okay, now you color the legs. gonna use the fine tip, so I'll get in the lines. And make sure that this color doesn't mix with the black, because then the skin will be a bluish, blackish peach color, and nobody likes that. Okay. Just ever so carefully color. Yeah, I like the ever so carefully color. This video will probably be shorter than the other one because, well, there's less detail. Okay. Keep on coloring. Okay, there we go. Looks like he's half bald, but who cares? Be bald. Okay, now we'll get the blush color to give him a bit of blush. When I say a bit, I don't mean a bit. It's like I'm doing makeup on a drawing. Okay, and now for his shorts, I'm gonna do, again, powder blue. And now for the actual shorts, I'm gonna do Arctic blue with the chisel in it. So good. I think he's going to the pool. Yeah. Why else would he be dressed like this? No, he's going to the pool. There we go. Now, add all the rest of your detail that you want. And sign your name. Sign the date. And you're done. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified on new videos. Bye!